Hey, what's really good, people? How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2018 Dodge or Ram truck 35 Honda V8 6.4 liter engine, and every time I try to start it, it just sounds click, click, click. So you can tell that it's the starter. If you don't know, well, now you know. We're gonna go to the starter, and now we're gonna replace it. Alright, before I jump into the action, I'm gonna say it again. Alright, subscribe to the channel. That's how you support the channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. You know what time it is, you know the vibes. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Thank you to my haters too. I love it. Any ideas, just put in the comment box. Alright? Any questions, put in the comment box, okay? And I'd be glad to answer your questions. Alright? Other than that, right below this screen, you see the heart right there where it says stamps. All you gotta do is click on that so you can show your love by buying a little contribution. It's kind of like a tip, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to talk too much. Let's do this. Starter, 2018 Dodge or Ram truck 35 Honda V8 6.4 liter. Let's get it. Astuo. We're gonna start by disconnecting the negative terminal right here. This one right here. Alright, that's gonna be like a 10 millimeter. Okay, that's what we're gonna do right now. Close that nut so we can disconnect this thing. We're gonna have to pry it, but disconnect the negative cable, okay, from the battery. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so you're gonna come down here from the bottom if you don't have a lift. And down here a little more. Gonna get closer. Let me get you some flashlight. There you go. You see that bolt right here? This one, part of the cover. There's another bolt right there. This one right here. Okay. That holds the this cover. Okay. And then you have this wiring. Alright. Let me see. Let me give you a better. We got the one on top. That's the one we're gonna do. Alright. This one, that one right there. I don't know, Cole, but what we're gonna do is, see, there's a bolt right here. That's the one that holds the starter, and it's this one right here. Okay, and besides of that, hopefully that's it. Alright, so I want to do this one right here too. Okay, and it's like any other regular starter, you know what I'm saying? If I don't need to remove this, I'm not gonna do it. You see, there's this. Let me give you a better picture. This cable, right? Wiring, whatever. It splits in two. That will be a ground, and it splits in two in this one too. This one, the yellow cable, and this one. Okay, look like the one, the yellow cable. We're gonna have to like disconnect it somehow. Okay. Let me get a better angle here. Let me see what's good here. Okay, I don't see much here, but yeah, I want to start removing this. This is gonna be the plate, the cover. It's gonna be a 10mm, 2 of them. All right, we'll see how it goes. Now you remove the cover. That's what you get. Now you're gonna have a better picture. No, still same thing. That black connector. Wait, hold up. Yeah. That nut look like a 14. The one on top, not the one at the bottom. Okay. Look like a 13, 14. Let's see. And yeah. Don't worry about those at the end. Okay. So yeah, let's get it. Alright. To get to these nut holes, gotta use the ratcheting wrench, 13mm. Okay. You see it vibes. Let me give you. Whoa! Up in here. Alright. You see what's popping. Do it by hand now. No, it's kind of hard though. Holes at 13mm. Okay. Then it's almost out though. Let me give you a better angle. Okay. Go. Now it's the black connector. I want to keep it here. I don't want to though, but you know I'm gonna remove it because I don't want nothing to be on my way to disconnect that black connector. This guy right here. I'm probably gonna do it when I bring it down. So just in case you wanna disconnect this other guy, all you gotta do is squeeze this too. Okay, squeeze it and pull it back. Okay, for that one. This one I'm gonna leave it there until I remove the starter. So now I want to hit these bolts in the back here and that one. Okay. I think that's gonna be a 15 or 16. I'll let you know. Alright, so I got the started out. Okay, you see that connector? You see the red thing? Let me give you a better. I really don't want to leave it hanging out, but let me give you a. Okay. You see this red connector right here? That, you're gonna push it back, and then you're gonna be able to push it down. I'll show you in a second. Hold up. Alright then, this is how this bastard looks like. He has like the red thing I told you, just push it back. If you don't want to break it, spray some WD-40. Okay, let me give you a better perspective. Okay, then you have to squeeze it here. This thing is gonna lift, and then you can pull it back. Alright, that's pretty much it. This. Okay, let me show you how this starter looks like. Let me take all this away. Maybe I'll show it to you this way. Looks like, okay, say nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Sorry for the background noise. Okay, nothing new. Alright. And we're gonna change it. I could test it though, but I don't want to waste time doing all that. Okay, you know how to test a starter? If you don't, it's easy. Just gotta put power and ground, and that's it. And this thing is gonna, like, this gear right here. Let me give you some light in a second. There we go. So this thing right here, this gear, when you give it power, it's gonna go up and spin. Okay, that's how this thing is gonna engage with the wheel. Forgot the name. It's gonna engage. It's gonna pull up, spin, pull up, engage, and spin. That's his job. That's what he does. All right. I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, I hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, you're very welcome to put it in the comment box. Okay, don't be shy. You see it right below this screen. There's a heart. There's a stance. That's right there. You wanna click on it and show your love by dropping your contribution for this channel, so the channel grows. You know what I'm saying? Grow bigger, get bigger. You know what I'm saying? Get better. That's how you contribute to the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without y'all? And I want to leave it right here. I didn't want to cut it like that though. It was my alarm. So yeah, just get the new part. Okay, I don't have the part number now, but if you ask me, gladly I want to give it to you. And where I got it from, probably the part number is the same, and you're gonna get it from your local auto parts store. Okay, part number is the same, like I said. And the new starter, which is the procedure goes in reverse. Okay, the installment goes in reverse, and that's pretty much it. Alright, I don't want to hold you up. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to click on the heart, okay, right there where it stands. Show your appreciation by contributing to this channel. Alright, that's kind of like a tip. Alright, see you guys. Holla at your boy. I'm out. Yeah.